Good morning, YouTube. Elaine Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Today is Friday, July 5th, and as promised, we're back this morning with an update on our video series called Replanting Harvested Pumila Seeds. If you recall in our last video on this series, this is what our Pumilas looked like in our last video upload. And this is what our Pumilas look like right now, YouTube. Hang tight. Yeah, check this out, YouTube. This is what our Pumilas are looking like this morning. They are indeed coming into blossom. And as you can see, we have various different colors of blossoms in each one of these holes coming down this way. Some of them are more in the blossom stage than others, but yeah, as you can see, we're roughly about 18 inches tall at this point with our Pumilas. We told you guys in the beginning of this video series that these plants would get 4 feet plus tall by the end of the grow season here, and yeah, this is what we're looking like right now, YouTube. I'm really enjoying what I'm seeing here right now, YouTube. Like I said, we have various different colors in each hole, and we planted a mixture of these seeds when we first planted them. These are, again, seeds that we harvested from the Pumilas that we grew here. Over there where we currently have our cantaloupe plants planted at over there, that's where we grew our Pumilas here last year. And these are the seeds from those plants, and this is what they're looking like right now, right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, guys. Yes, they are indeed in blossom. And we are loving what we see here, guys. Loving what we see here, guys. These Pumilas are indeed a variety of Zinnia. There's several different varieties in these amongst these seeds, and you guys will see that as more and more of the flowers begin to actually open up and fully blossom. You guys will see that here, and yeah, again, this is what our Pumilas are looking like. We bought Pumila seeds the very first year, 4 years ago, when we first moved in here. We've been harvesting the seeds from each subsequent group of flowers that we have here during the grow season every year. Harvest those dried out blossom heads, let them dry out an additional 2 to 3 weeks, harvest the seeds from those, put them in a sealed container, replant them the next spring. I think we're roughly around the 60-day mark with our Pumilas here right now. I think it's been about 2 months since we actually planted the seeds here in the soil, and this is what we're looking like. Currently, again, like I said, this guy's actually about 2 feet tall right here. This first one right here, it's in direct sunlight. Again, at about 2 feet now, this guy will be at least twice as tall as what you see it is here now by the end of the grow season, and probably about a 3-foot diameter around this little planter here in the ground will be completely filled up with branches, flowers, and foliage. At any rate, YouTube, if you like what you see in this video and you're not currently already subscribed to the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel, be sure to press the subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and if you don't mind, share this video with your friends and family. We really, really, really would appreciate it. Thanks.
About the first time we kissed. Who could have known you leave me standing in the cold like this? You got me sad and lonely.